There's something so beautiful about the silence of nature. It's in our lives we're just nowadays we're so bombarded by notifications and emails and this and that, and it literally just causes us so much stress, like so much anxiety, so much, like we're always doing something and we never have time to just slow down, relax, breathe, and really just take in the silence and not always have to do something. I find nature, when you get into nature and you get into that silence of nature and you're just walking, it really gives you time to slow down and relax and not always be answering the next message. It's like I don't even have cell service out here. Like, how beautiful is that to know that just to know that my phone isn't gonna buzz or make a sound or a notification is calming, is relaxing. I don't think we realize how on edge we are all the time because of our phones. Because it's always every 10 minutes we're getting an email, a YouTube notification, Snapchat, Instagram, all the time we're being notified, and it's just it causes us so much stress and anxieties and just doesn't allow us to be calm and relaxed and centered and grounded.